How to upholster practically anything. Over the years, I have tested out different DIY projects that at times seem rather intimidating. I always like to start small just in case it doesn't go as planned. I usually try out some new DIY projects in old pieces of furniture, something that's broken. That way, I never feel bad if I mess up and don't feel the pressure to get it perfect the first time. So, follow these tips to upholster practically anything. Materials: staple gun, staples, fabric, iron, batting, and foam. Adding foam and batting. If using foam, cut your foam to the size of the item you are upholstering. Wrap batting around the foam and staple. Fold the corners over like you are wrapping a present. Staple and cut off excess batting. Upholstering the fabric. Lay fabric face down on a smooth, clean surface. Place the item to be upholstered on top of the fabric and smooth out the fabric. Starting in the middle, staple the fabric to the item. Fold a small part of fabric over itself before stapling to ensure the fabric won't pull or snag. Once one side is completed, flip over to smooth out any bumps and pull fabric tight. Continue to staple all sides, saving the corners for last. Make sure to flip over after stapling to ensure a smooth, flat fabric. Taking one corner, fold as if you were folding a present. Make a triangle, tuck excess fabric, staple. Repeat for all corners. Cut off excess fabric, turn over and smooth out surface. Check everything and add staples to make sure the upholstered item is to your liking. Tricks to upholster. My biggest trick I learned when upholstering anything is to make sure you iron out the fabric beforehand. It will save a ton of time smoothing out the fabric to make sure that it is smooth. Always double check your measurements to make sure they are accurate. Double fold the fabric before you staple so that the fabric stays in place from normal wear and tear. And tons of practice folding corners to make sure it looks great.